Hello, what's up, everybody? It's me, Manu Khan from Girl Code Zone, and today I'm going to show you how to embed Google search bar in your HTML page. Pretty fun, right? So, I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to save this HTML code into my desktop. Say Google search bar.html and save. I will go into Google and search for custom search engine www.custom-search-engine and click create a custom search engine. If I already log in into my Google account through the search engine, this site, this page will show me directly to the sites to search option. If I am not, then I have to log in into the account and then use this option. Let's say the sites I want to search through this search engine, youtube.com. I will name the search engine um, search bar and click create. I will click this get code button. This is a JavaScript code. Sorry, this is sorry. This is a HTML code and copy this code. Control C and paste it here. Control V, Control S, and let's say if we are able to run this HTML page successfully. Here you can see www.amazon.com. Wow. So I'm successfully able to design my custom search and embed into my HTML page. If you like this video, please give thumbs up and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.